This to this Umarex RDS8 right here. We're going to put on. We put this on the HW45, and we had to spread the plate here quite far to get it on the dovetail that attaches to the rail of the HW45. It's quite smaller profile than the other one we had on here. You can search the videos for that one. But it's got a small, you can see it here, for left and right screw. You have to use a very small screwdriver, like an eyeglass screwdriver, to adjust it. Once you get it adjusted, you should be okay. And on the other side, here's the button. All the way back is off. To the push it forward, it's on. So I don't know. We'll see how it works out. And that's the video for today. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless you. Bye for now.